What's up, everybody? My name's Ian Whatever. Now with me, and today I'm at a really cool place where there's lots of animals. Yep. Oops, sorry. I'm with my family today, and I'm gonna show you a bath. Boom. Oh, hold on. Hey, Mom. Can you tell the fans what this is? What this place is?
Fish. Sulphur Park. Look.
There you go.
Look at these fish. They're eating.
Okay, I love you, Mom.
She's gonna run that baby for life.
Alright, there you go. We're at Sulphur Park. Right now we're looking at pretty cool things. And all of you who've never seen an owl before, I'll let you find him. Found him yet? Still haven't found him? I already found him. Right there. Up there. See him now? Alright, there you go. Today, this is where it's all apart, and here is a bullfrog.
How do you know? Oh, I see it.
Yep, see? A bullfrog.
There's a bullfrog in there.
Yep, right now I'm filming. See? How long would you? You remember my cousin Jesse, huh? From being at the party? Well, hey, back off. I don't want you in the shot. Well, right now we're just looking at stuff like all of this. Like there's a chicken leg right there, walking stick, fungi, I think. I'm not for sure. Tell me in the comments what that thing is. And there's some of these. These don't really work, so yeah. Right now we're in a real cool place. Right now, I like this place. This is my vlog right now. So let's see what. Oh, guys, there's also a bull snake in here. A bull snake. I can't let you guys see it because it doesn't show that good in the camera. Can't really find it. See, where is it? Where is it? I'll let you guys try to find it. I'm just gonna stand down gently, and you can pause the you can pause the video whenever you find it. There you go. All right. This is the best place to be. Oh, and here's a turtle and some type of fish. Tell me in the comments what type of fish it is. And this is like a turtle in here as well, right there. Hey, little guy. Hi. And some baby fish as well. Well, we're at a family. This is like a family reunion. Can't speak. But everything is really cool here. If you've come to Sulphur Park, you guys are in for a treat. Whoops, you accidentally did that. Hold on. Whoops. Just walk away. See, there's also a gift store. This is for my YouTube channel. t.e.n.d. I'm still revolting against the Japanese though. Remember that. Well, that's all for today's video. Sorry it's been a very long time since I made a video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Now with the dub.